Are you tired of carrying multiple adapters and cables? I'm here to save the day. So picture this. You're on a trip and you need to charge your phone, transfer some files, and oh, your SIM card needs a swap. Sounds chaotic, right? Enter the Ultimate USB-C Adapter Kit. This nifty little box has everything. A micro USB to USB-C, female adapter, a short USB-C cable, a lightning to USB-C adapter, and even a fast charging cord. And wait for it, it also comes with a SIM card holder. How cool is that? I used to carry a bunch of different cables and adapters, and it always ended up in a tangled mess. But with this kit, I just grab the box and I'm good to go. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for tech. Trust me, this kit makes life so much easier. So if you're tired of cable chaos, check out the Ultimate USB-C Adapter Kit. You'll find the link in the description. Happy teching!